Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm be doing the earrings to go with these bracelets right here. And this one is already sold, so you know. So later when my sister seen it or whatever, she said this is hers, so it's already sold. Stay tuned for how I'm gonna be creating these earrings. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. So what I'm going to be doing is putting these sorry, something in my throat. Putting these on this string, and I'm gonna be doing like the other ones I had made. I'm gonna do it like that to see how it come out, and if it come out good, that's what it's gonna be. So I have 4 of these, 4 of these yellow dices each, so it's 8 of them. So what I'm going to do is put them on there and tie it on up. And then put my spacers on the part that hangs. I'm going to do it like that. So yeah, how's y'all Sunday? My Sunday is going good. How about yourself? So now it's like this. So now what I'm going to do is basically tie it up like this so that it will look right. So this is what it's looking like. I don't know. I have to see because what I see is not, catching my eye. So we're going to have to see about this. Or either I might just put some spacers on each one and then tie it up. See how that look. If it don't come out looking right, I ain't going to do it. So I'll be back. So this is what I came up with. I don't like it, so I'm not going to do these. So I'm going to go on to a next project because I don't like these. You like these? These cute. Them ugly, ain't it? Yeah, I know. It's different, but it's not what I would do. It's not nothing that I would, I wouldn't do that. So I guess these will be put up, and I'm gonna come back with something else on this video to do because I'll be right back. Okay, so I came back with, I'm gonna do these clear white beads and these rose gold spacers. They like a donut shape, and then you have the heart shape. So yeah, and it's gonna probably take me a minute with this Cricut cutter because that's some work, and it got on my nerves a little bit, but I get it. I will get it, and I know y'all gonna say it's easy. No, if you gotta, no, but yeah, I'm gonna get that going soon as I figure it out and get it done. I gotta get me some more ink because I've been on there doing that since last night. Went to bed at 1 in the morning. No, tired, sleepy. Woke up when I came back from church, and I started it on and still ain't. I got the one part. Yes, I got the one part, but that other part with the pictures and all that stuff, no. But stay tuned, and I will be creating this bracelet. See how it look. Okay, so this is what I came up with. Hold on, let me do this two more things on here. Then I'm gonna show y'all what I got. But this is what I have. This right here. I don't know if y'all can see because I'm too far back, but but and after this, I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna cook me and my kids something to eat. But instead of seeing these type of videos, do y'all want to see me? I know y'all probably want to see me go out and shop or whatever for beads and stuff like that. But this is not the only thing that I does. I cook. I used to cook on my channel. I might do that again, give y'all a little video with that. I do make my makeup. Sometimes I be feeling ugly. And I just put my makeup on, or I just like to play in makeup. This bead ugly. Look at that bead. If y'all can see it, it's kind of ugly. But yeah, I just like to play in makeup. I like to look up the par at times. I was gonna wear makeup for church today, but I didn't get around to it because I got up late. But y'all comment below and tell me what y'all want to see me do. I can do videos with cooking. But I don't sit and eat my food after that. I don't do that, but I might. She always talking about something busting and all that stuff, but does it do, especially yeah, just let me know down below in the comments if you want me. I know these is what I'm gonna be doing. These bracelets. When I get that thing to working right, I'm gonna do that. With that crooked cutter. I want to start back cooking on my channel, and I want to start back doing my makeup on my channel. So let me know below in the comments. Yeah. So this is what this is looking like. Clear beads, clear white beads with red rose gold on there. Goes red goes with it. You know what I'm saying. That's one of them. And I decided to use my thread needle, my beaded needle, because that thing take all day just to, and that bead ain't coming on there. This That's what I be talking about. Some of these beads got little holes in it. Don't want the neat thing, and look, my darn gone spacer done come up, done rent from me. But Stay tuned because, like I said in all my videos, my storage, I'm gonna have to need it to finish this video out. So stay tuned, and I'll be back. So this is what I got again, just like this one, but the other one I'm gonna make a little different. What is it? Saturday, Sunday. Sorry, I didn't make no video. Yes, hold on. Did I make a video yesterday?
With me?
Okay. Well, y'all did.
Yeah, we did the cricket cover one.
Okay.
But we didn't finish it.
We ain't gonna finish it. Oh my.
Yeah, we might not finish
We ain't gonna finish it till I get it right. See, this is why I be talking. And stretch my dang on needle thing out of place. Now my thread ain't gonna go in there right. I'm at my beads, ain't gonna go on there right. See, that's why. And I still ain't forgot about doing my own beads. I'll be doing them soon as well. Very soon. But stay tuned, because this is really, I don't want this getting on my nerves like that cricket cutter did. So I'll be back. So, okay, now I'm done with that finally. Because, twirl it around for a little. Let me see something. If I tie this up, see if it's going to be the same length as this one. Yep. Because I don't want it to be real big. I want it to snug your arm at least. And let it be right tight like a bite, and it's right. Girl, shut up. I didn't say that. I said tight like a bite, and it's right. So, we'll pour these up and see. Yeah, see, it snugs your arm real good. I'm gonna make a different kind. Well, it's gonna be the same, but a different one. I'm supposed to been putting hearts on. Oh my God, see. But I'm gonna be back. Supposed to been putting hearts on there. See, that's what I be talking about. What is it? Oh, heck no. This thing is still. Okay, so this is the other one that I did. I did this one a little different. Yep, did this one a little different, so. But I like it though. See how I got the beads and the spacers, beads, spacers, beads, spacers. 2 beads, 1 bead, 3 spacers, 1 spacer. How I got it with it. And that can go in the middle if you know you want to put it in the middle. I had to put the new I have to put the new bracelets on my site and put the links to them in my description. So if y'all want them, y'all can get them. So yeah, but this is what I got. I like it. Make me one. I don't know yet. I need to start back wearing my bracelets and stuff. Jewelry, fixing myself up and all that good old stuff. But yeah. Anything else I need to do? No, I don't think it is, but this is what I have. But yeah, I might just will sneak a video in here and on my channel of me cooking and stuff, and like I used to do, and with my makeup. I might just do that. Y'all wouldn't know until you see it, but yeah. But make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notifications so you know when I post another video. That's it. Comment and comment below if you want, you know. But yeah. Bye.